Hi again. This third and last video will show you how to use loops inside a table. So we've seen how loops could be used to create a list. Now let's use it inside a table. So remember in the previous video we've used list loops to see this list. So let's transform a little bit our template to show a table and to show our list inside the table. So let's add a table, let's say with 2 rows. So what we're going to do is that we're going to use the same tags, but this time inside the table. So store list. In this field we're going to show the city, then the date opened, and we're going to close the loop. Let's add this table is really ugly. Let's add some title for the columns. So store city, year opened. Okay, let's give it some color, and that's it. So now we have a table. It's very basic, very simple, but you can add as many columns as you wish. And now you see how we have transformed the template to show the data in a table format. And with this setup, the rows are going to be added automatically by the API. So let's save the template. We actually don't have any change to make on our form, and even on the workflow. Everything remains the same. We're gonna fill in the form again, put the demo template again, my company, we're gonna keep the discount. This time it's 20%. And that's it. Let's see how this works with loops in a table. Okay, it's done. And now you can see the result. So now some lines, some rows have been added to our table with the data coming from our database as we have selected with our do a search for, and the condition is met, so you can see the text here. So that's it. That's the way you can use loops inside the table with the Docxtopdf plugin. Just a few words about the fields that we have not discussed yet inside the plugin. So we have seen how to use text, data, images, loops, conditions. You can see here the empty tags field. Here you can choose whether you want to leave tags. This is going to be useful, especially if, as I said before, you want to transform your template before creating the PDF. So maybe you're going to want to update some tags, but leave the other tags. So with this condition, all the tags that don't have any value will remain inside the template. you have the option to remove the empty tags and to replace the empty tags by undefined. You can also get the output file in base64 format. This is very useful, especially if you want to send attachments with software like SendGrid or usign. Well, some APIs, some solutions will require you to use base64 format. It's a file format. So if you click on this box, when you will use the result of the API, you will have the option to use this, the output file in base64 format. And that's, if you, for example, if you want to send an attachment with a SendGrid email, you will want to use the base64 option. So, but yeah, this option is not required by default. And that's it. I think we've seen most of the features of our Docxtopdf API and Bubble plugin. Don't hesitate to contact us if you need more information or if you need help to set up your application. We've tried our best to make it as easy as we could to implement, but yeah, it can always you can always have issues. So yeah, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Thank you, and I hope you're going to enjoy using it, and bye-bye.